Welcome to this short demonstration of the new Red Tractor grain passport system. We've created this system to allow Red Tractor members to create their own grain passports in a very simple way online. I'm just going to show you very briefly how the test system works, and we'd be really interested in your feedback. So firstly, this whole system will be operating off the Red Tractor website, off our checkers and services area, and members will need a username and password to log into their own account. If you don't already have one, you'll need to register for access, and we'll produce another video to explain how to do, and guidance to explain how to do that. But I'm just going to show one that already exists, and I'm going to log in as a member and show you the system. So when you log in as a member, it will take you to your membership report, and we're specifically looking at the area on the left-hand side under crops passports. And very simply, a member can create a crop passport using this system in 3 simple steps. So the membership that I'm logged in as, actually this login has access to 2 memberships, but we understand that the majority of members would only really have 1 membership. And in the 2, each membership also has potentially different collection addresses registered under the Red Tractor membership. So to create a passport, the first thing you need to do is identify which membership. And as I said, I've got access here to 2 memberships, but most people would only have 1. So you click the membership that you're interested in. And for the grain passport, you also then identify the collection address. So as you can see under this membership, there are 3 potential collection addresses, and I'm going to click 1. And then you press continue. Step 2 is then asking for more information. Now, this is completely optional. It allows you to update additional information to the grain passport before you create it. So you can add the loading date, you can add information about the load to be added to the passport, and you can also add information about the haulier if that is known. But you don't have to. So I'm actually going to tick no for all 3 questions, and then click continue. And then we're on the final step 3. There's a summary here. So I've created a grain passport for Hunt Farms Limited, and you can see the collection address that I've clicked, and there's a unique reference number for this passport, and I simply click here to download the passport. That, in a normal way off the internet, will download a PDF, which you can see down here in this bottom left-hand corner. You simply click on that, and there is the passport. And I just want to talk you through some of the aspects on this passport. Firstly, the passport looks slightly different to the normal format of grain passports, but it has absolutely all of the essential and same information on. It just needed slightly reformatting to get all the information that we needed to get on it. As you can see, it's got the business name up in the top. It's got the collection address that was identified when I created the passport. And most importantly, and the reason we've done this system, is it then pulls in all the assurance information associated with this membership in the same way that the assurance stickers currently do. So here it says test certification body, but it will be whichever certification body this membership is, the membership number. There is a unique number for this passport that was created, which is a reference number that at some stage in the future we'll be creating a system where buyers can verify that that unique passport is actually associated with that membership. And then you can see 2 dates. The validated date is the date that that check has been carried out. So on the 6th of June, today, that I recorded this membership is valid, and it expires on the 31st of October 2019. It also pulls in the fact that they are crop and sugar beet assured, and this is something that buyers and customers will be interested in, the nuts to code and whether the farm is red compliant. And as you can see, the rest of the passport is then completely blank. So you have two options here. You can save the passport on your computer. You can print it off completely blank, fill all the other bits in by hand when you know, and sign it, and send it off with your grain. Or you could actually, at this point, if you want, type in the information into the various boxes, if you want to do that as well. So that's how to create a blank grain passport. I just want to also show you, though, again, create another grain passport. So you go back to crops passports. I'll create another one for the same membership. I'm going to click the collection address, but this time I actually already know the information. So yes, I do know the loading date. I'm going to click it on the 8th of June. I do know the crop type, so I've already done one before, so it's already giving me the option of wheat. I know that. I know that it's actually coming out of store 1, and actually it's last year's harvest. And then the haulier information as well. So again, hunt haulage. Actually, it's a different registration number than one I've used before. So the trailer is trailer 3. And again, this is just a test. So I'm just putting in various numbers here, but whatever the haulier collection ticket is, and press continue. And again, you've got a summary. You can click to download the passport. And this time, the passport has got the information already typed in that you've put in. So the purpose of designing it this way is to be completely flexible for our members. Some members might know that information, might want to type it in at the time. Other members might want to actually just create a blank passport and do it by hand at the time of loading. It's very important. So the main point is that this means that farmers don't have to use their stickers. And as you can see here in the insurance claim, that it's been validated on the day that this passport was produced. So as a member, you also have the opportunity to go back to your archived passports. So I'm just going to click on Passport Archive. And as you can see, there are a number of different passports that have been created, both for this membership. But if I click the Hunt Farms membership, you can see actually those 2 passports that I've literally just downloaded here for Hunt Farms with their unique reference numbers. So there will be an archive for the farmer to go back to and have a look at and keep all of their all of the passports that they've created. So that was really very much a quick demonstration. This is on our test server. As I said before, we're particularly keen on understanding if anybody's got any feedback on this system before we go live with the launch. So we're really interested in your feedback and thoughts, please. So either email myself, Philippa Wiltshire, or Vicky Smith, our technical manager for crops, or give one of us a ring on 0203 617 3670. And thank you very much for listening.